Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is MamaG and this is an update video about this Misseskisses bra, which is the moderate plunge bra that I am wearing today. So this will help you to put together a nice cleavage. So now I'm going to teach you guys on how to do it perfectly. So I will teach you on how to make this. Okay, so it's really like real. Okay, so I'm gonna take out and I will teach you guys. So look at this. What is this? This is the Misseskisses moderate plunge bra. You can only order in Misseskisses.com, which is I will link in my description box so you guys can easily find it. You need to order your right size. So this is a C cup. Okay, so it's very important, guys, because if it's not right size for you, it will be difficult. Okay, so make sure you have your right size. And for this, you can adjust the wire and you can adjust the cups. Okay, by pulling this one and push. Okay, and this one you can adjust it like this. It's like you are closing. So this is A, B, C, and D. Okay, so I think just like this. Okay, so you have to try it first before putting the pads. Okay, so I think it's okay. So now I'm gonna put the pads. So these are the pads, guys, and the shape of the pads are round to oval. So round here and oval. Okay, so this is the right position, round to oval. And the mark Misseskisses, it should be up and not at the bottom. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, now I'm gonna put on the wire. Okay, remember this one should be here, okay, not there. And so you can see the triangle here. You don't put like this. Okay, you don't put like this. You don't put like this. You have to rotate it until you find the triangle. Okay, so same on the other side. And now I'm gonna put it. Okay, so by putting this one, you have to push. Okay, and then grab your, and then yeah. So that's how it works. Okay, so it's not really stick on my dress because it's only stick with the skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna wear it. You see that? So yeah, look at this. It's not perfect and I will do it properly. Wait. So now look at this. It's very soft and it's really like a real. It's amazing. So I'm gonna open a little bit, guys, just to show my cleavage. And this is the side look. And one more thing about this moderate plunge bra is you can open until here, no problem, because the wire is under the zipper. So if you want to look more naughty, so this is for you guys. Okay, so it's absolutely wow. So if you're gonna attend a party and you are wearing a very sexy dress with this Misseskisses bra, oh my god, be careful, all eyes on you. Okay, so it's very nice. It's a life-changing experience with Misseskisses bra. So yeah, I don't look like a mom. I look like 19 years old. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. So remember guys, if you are experiencing any pain or any uncomfortable feeling, it means you're not using it correctly, so you have to do more adjustment. And if you want guys, you can make also appointment with the expert. I will link on my description box so they can teach you on how to use it correctly. So yeah, and I want to show you guys that this one is very comfortable. Even I move, I jump, okay, so there is no problem. Okay, so you can dance all night, all day without no worries. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. See you again in my next vlog. Bye.